Um, what is up, YouTube? Ivan here. And today I'll be experimenting slime, but nickelodeon style. This thing. It's backwards. I don't know. But yeah, it says slime. Alright, and to see, will it work? We got Zigloo. The activator. The sticks, but they're plastic. The spoon. And the thing to color with it. And these things smell good. Blueberry, strawberry, and then grape. Alright. So what I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, wait, fuck. My bowl. Wait. Take. Okay. Oh yeah, all this comes with the cake. All of this. Fuck. Make it more further. Fuck. Okay. Bowl. Alright, I'm just gonna put in a little bit, right? Because I never know it's gonna work. Jesus, it's taking forever. Yeah. Okay. Gotta put a little bit more. Yeah. Okay, there. Alright, this is how much I wasted. Now what I'm gonna do is gonna put grape. Okay. What? Wait. Man. Ah. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna wait. Hold on. We'll be right back in just a few seconds or minutes. I don't know. Okay. Alright, here it is. Put my food coloring. Now I'm gonna mix it up. Mix. Mixity, mix. Mixing, mix. Mix. Gotta put a little bit more. Alright. Alright, now time to put in the activator. Okay. Oh yeah, I barely got this today. Let me see how much I'm gonna put in with measuring cup. Okay. This I can put 5 meters of it. Now, mix. Oh shoot. Jeez. I've been sneezing for a long time. Jeez. Getting tired of it. Okay. I may have put a little too much, but this is how it went. It's not bad. It's a bit sticky. Jesus, I put too much. Squeeze it out. Smells good though. Kind of. I don't really know. Slime. So, works. I recommend it. Buy it if you like slime. Wait. Alright, yeah. Buy it if you like slime. Do recommend it. Just gonna mix it up a little bit more. Okay. Yeah. Works. It's kind of sticky, but it works. Alright. Gotta have fun with this. Is it bounceable? Fuck. Alright, now for the is it bounceable test. Fuck. Yes, it is. Okay. Alright, that's it for now. I'll see you all for the next video. And if you like slime, I recommend you to get this. Yeah, nickelodeon slime. Looks like if the fucking carton looks like if just one girl and another boy. Yeah. Alright. Bye-bye.